Baselines are a property of a line of lettering and can be changed by selecting an alternate baseline after the lettering has been created. In this video, we will create two baselines from the beginning, an arc over and an arc under the logo. Go through the normal procedure of typing in your letters, selecting the font, the size and the baseline, etc. First, the arc CW or clockwise arc with the letters over the top of the baseline. Click on the Create Text button, then move the mouse to the left side of the design or where you want the line of lettering to generate from. That is, one left click and release the button. Now move the mouse to the right. Notice the mouse and line can move vertically. If you wish to constrain this vertical movement to keep the right hand side of the arc level with the left hand, then hold the Control key down until you have made the click at the right hand end of the line, and release. Now move the mouse pointer upward. I find it easier to control the line if you move the mouse to the midway point of the line when moving upward. Once you have reached the desired arc height, left click again to form the baseline and generate the lettering. It is important to remember to move upward with the mouse when the clockwise arc is being generated. Now for the arc CCW or counterclockwise arc to go under the logo. Two left clicks, one on each end of the line, first the left side, followed by the right side. Remember to use the Control key to keep the line level, and push down and left click once again. Using the Reshape tool, the arc can be altered by moving the midpoint node on the baseline up or down. Moving the endpoints of the arc line will change the angle of the arc. And the diameter may be changed by moving the center point of the circle that the arc is part of. You can create elliptical arcs with this tool by going to the Settings button and changing the X or Y radius, but I will show you what I think is a better way to create ellipses in the Circle and Ellipse Baseline video which is to follow. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.